So you might be trying to figure out how you can make an Instagram reel in 2023. Now doing this is actually very basic, and there's a few different ways you can actually go about doing it. So the one way is if you want to edit the Instagram reel before you actually post it, that is one specific method. So you can always go through and film an Instagram reel like this. You can film it from your main camera. You can record it and edit it however you want to and then post it later on your Instagram application, or you can film it right within your application itself. So if you want to do it the easiest method, just go ahead and open up your Instagram application like this, and you can either make your way over to your profile page or from the home page, and all you want to do is go and click the plus button that is in the top right corner. So once you click the plus button, you'll get this little pop-up, and you'll see a lot of other options come up towards the bottom here. But all you want to do is you want to go and click on this reel option right there. And what that's going to do is when you click on it, it's going to bring you straight into the Instagram Reels editor. So now all you have to do is when you get in this pop-up, all you want to do is you want to go and click get started, and watch what happens. You will come straight into your camera application here, and now this is where you can go ahead and make your Instagram Reels. So to kind of break this specific method down, you have your standard buttons up here, settings, flash, and the exit button. You have options on the left side, which allow you to go ahead and flip the camera. You can set a timer, you can create a layout, you can add a song up here. You have a lot of cool different things on the side here. You can also, if you want to bring in a video you've already made, you can tap on this little button on the bottom left corner, and you can bring in photos or videos that you've already made. You can kind of edit them around too if you want to go and do it that way. You can also scroll to the side here and access some filters. So if you want to go ahead and add whatever this filter is, you can go and bring it in, and it's going to bring in a cool little filter if you want to go with it. If not, you can stick with the stock image here. And when you're ready, you can go and start making and recording your image. So here, I'm basically talking and I'm making an Instagram reel. So whatever you want to record, you can go and record up until I think 30 seconds. You can let go and you can pause for a second. You can go back into recording by clicking here. If you want to continue it, you can let go. And from here, you click next and you can post it like any other reel. So here you can edit up a little bit further. Whenever you're ready, you can click next and you can post this up however you want to. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.